welcome to my channel. My name's Michelle and I'm the owner of Life Organized with Michelle. In today's video, you're going to see a kitchen transformation that I recently worked on with a client, and the best part about it, we did it 100% virtually. Kunta, come here. Here. Every time I go to record, she has a lot to say. Come here, baby. All right, I gotta record, okay? Oh my goodness. You can help? You can help with the camera? All right, I hope you enjoyed this video. If it piqued your interest in what virtual organizing is and how it can work for you, hop on over to my website at lifeorganizedwithmichelle.com to learn more. If you're ready to get started, submit a consultation request form while you're on my website, and let's get that space tackled together. Thank you so much again for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.